Poem, The Road Not Taken, Explanation. Stanza 1. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, lone I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. The poet comes to a fork in the road in a yellow forest, symbolizing autumn or a stage in life. He feels sorry that he can't take both paths at the same time. He stands there for a long time, thinking deeply, trying to look as far as possible down one of the roads to see where it leads. But the path curves into bushes, and he can't see beyond.
कवि एक पीले जंगल में दो रास्तों के मोड़ पर खड़ा होता है। उसे दुख होता है कि वह एक समय में दोनों रास्तों पर नहीं जा सकता। वह बहुत देर तक खड़ा होकर सोचता है और एक रास्ते को ध्यान से देखता है कि वह कहां तक जाता है, लेकिन वह रास्ता झाड़ियों में मुड़ जाता है और आगे दिखाई नहीं देता।
Stanza 2. Then took the other, as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there, had warned them really about the same. The poet chooses the second path. It looked equally beautiful but seemed less used because it was grassy. It looked like it needed to be walked on. However, after thinking, he realizes that both paths were actually worn about the same.
कवि दूसरे रास्ते को चुनता है। वह रास्ता भी उतना ही सुंदर था, लेकिन कम चला हुआ लग रहा था क्योंकि उस पर घास थी। कवि को लगा कि उस पर कम लोग चले हैं। पर थोड़ी सोच के बाद वह समझता है कि दोनों रास्ते लगभग एक जैसे ही घिसे हुए हैं।
Stanza 3. And both that morning equally lay. In leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. That morning, both roads looked fresh and unused. The leaves on them hadn't been stepped on. The poet thinks he'll keep the first road for another day. But he also knows that once you choose a path in life, it often leads to new paths, making it unlikely to return to the first one.
उस सुबह दोनों रास्ते एक जैसे नए और बिना चले हुए दिखते हैं। पत्तों पर किसी का पाँव नहीं पड़ा था। कवि सोचता है कि वह पहले रास्ते को किसी और दिन के लिए छोड़ देगा। लेकिन फिर वह जानता है कि एक बार कोई रास्ता चुन लेने पर नया रास्ता मिल जाता है और शायद वह फिर पहले वाले पर कभी लौट ही न सके।
Stanza 4. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the difference. The poet imagines that in the future, he will tell this story with a sigh, possibly of relief or regret. He will say that two roads diverged in a forest, and he took the one that was less traveled. That one decision shaped his life and made all the difference.
कवि सोचता है कि भविष्य में वह यह बात एक लंबी सांस के साथ याद करेगा, शायद संतोष या पछतावे के साथ। वह कहेगा कि दो रास्ते एक जंगल में अलग हुए थे और उसने वह रास्ता चुना जिस पर कम लोग चले थे। और उसी एक फैसले ने उसके जीवन में बहुत बड़ा बदलाव ला दिया।
Moral/message of the poem. The poem teaches us that life is full of choices. We cannot go back and take all paths. So, we must think carefully before making a decision. One choice can change our entire life.
यह कविता हमें सिखाती है कि जीवन में हमें कई बार निर्णय लेने होते हैं। हम सभी रास्तों पर नहीं चल सकते, इसलिए सोच समझकर चुनाव करना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक फैसला हमारे पूरे जीवन को बदल सकता है।